There is the CEO payment drink vending machine in Japan. This machine allows two employees to get one drink for free, each, by simultaneously touching their employee ID cards on a dedicated terminal installed in the vending machine together. This service was created by noting that communication opportunities between colleagues are decreasing due to the spread of remote work and staggered hours, and 97.8% of respondents said the service helped improve in-house communication. Most of us know about the concept of chatting around the water cooler. The idea is that great ideas or solutions come from idle conversations away from the desk or meeting rooms. This is called the water cooler effect. In this regard, CEO payment drink vending machine can be seen as a product that effectively replaced water cooler. Some leaders think that idle conversations among employees in the workplace reduce the efficiency of work. But leaders should not forget that chatting around vending machines or water coolers can be a great opportunity to generate creative ideas.